so close.
Run, 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 run,
Oh god!
run.
Oh my god, that was so close. Every time.
There. I will fill the screen with these! That's right. You fall over, you go away.
Undisposable pop star. Disposed.
Oh.
You okay, Clank?
Kinda evil.
From the field.
Yes! Who'd have thought you'd just throw all your turrets out and let it go? I love him to death.
So, it could be our only chance to stop Nefarious. We'll meet Quark at the starport. Be careful, Ratchet. Come on, Clank. We'll come back for Skid later.
Just and stuff.
And stuff.
Stuff. Just go ahead and do one of those.
Yay, we don't have to walk on the stupid platforms that make you have headaches. I don't like those.
That was a difficult little thing to go through. Where are we going now? Here? Yep.
I don't know.
Where are we going? Oh. We are going places and things. Oh, God,
You're
my
right there?
back. Yeah, no, just sitting in this stool again.
Do you want this chair?
No, I don't really want to sit 4 feet lower than where I currently am.
But then I can sit in the stool and then I can look down at you. Actually, we'd probably be
Yeah,
about
no,
even.
I think we did that last time.
Yeah,
we
and
were
we were
doing
about
Titanfall,
even.
and I would say we were like eye level.
Actually,
no.
I think you were still taller than me.
Again, I think I will still pass. Thermonuclear warheads and nail clippers are no longer allowed as carry-on luggage.
Damn those nail clippers.
Right? Ah, stupid nail clippers always ruining people's days. Can't carry my thermonuclear devices. Oh, that's a box. Oh, frick! I didn't realize you were gonna hit me around the thing. That's fine. I got this for you. Oh God,
Yeah?
he is
I'm
really
sorry, what
beating
do
the
you have?
brakes off of me.
He's like,
I have that for you. Take it.
That's literally all he just did.
There, I died. Screw it. Just
That works.
screw it. I need to replenish this this gun. Let's go.
Freaking. Because they're not
What is hitting me?
killing you
Oh.
with almost everything.
I thought we agreed to put that jungle business
I don't
behind us.
know.
Not that we weren't right in the middle of that.
That's okay.
Mating season. How could I have known
She
she
was your sister.
How long have you two
How long have you two
Ah.
been standing there?
That was awkward.
Too long.
Stop lollygagging and let's get to work. We'll use this shuttle to infiltrate the Star Cruiser undetected. Once on board, we find Nefarious and finish the
That noise you're hearing are those robots still walking, by the way.
Oh,
You mean, yeah, those two? Yeah.
oh, okay.
There, I
The
just
ones that
died.
just
Fine.
killed you?
No, I'm okay with dying. I'm okay with dying. Just screw it. This thing needs to level up anyways, so I'll just do this for a third time. We'll just call this a day.
There you go.
There.
Woohoo!
That makes no sense to me how they're doing that.
Ugh. Hitting
Like
you
how?
that
Yeah,
much?
like how they're
Yeah.
hitting me like after that. That's fine. I got a level 2. Screw it. Oops. Excuse me.
And there are a bunch of guys behind you to the right now.
That was hurtful to look at.
What'd you do?
Really?
Wow.
Wow, dude.
Okay.
Kudos to you. So we can go that way if we want to go do that thing. I think there's 2 ways to go on this one. Zoom out, zoom out. Nope. Zoom, 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 zoom. Oh, okay, that zoomed out. So we can go up there to do that, which is where we're at now, or we can go that way. We're gonna go that way. I don't want to go on the ship yet.
Oh, there's a bunch of bolts or boxes.
Back
With
there?
bolts, I think.
Over there?
No.
Oh. Over there?
Other way.
Over there? Yes, there are. Excuse me.
Look around enough, you'll find them.
It's not like they're not everywhere.
Jeez. The flippy flip. thing is so fast.
But my gun's faster. Don't mind me, kids. I'm just gonna keep striking nothing.
Sounds like a plan.
Eat it. I feel like there's a ninja about to. I was saying, I feel like there's a ninja. Love it.
I just realized I
Yes!
didn't.
Level 5.
Level 5?
My first Omega weapon.
Nice.
Or is this? Is this Omega? Yeah, it's Omega. All right. Okay, so now we can quit using that so much. All right, we all know what I'm going to use here.
I think he's dead.
Yeah, that happened. I don't even get 100 bolts for that. I got more bolts for the tape or for the.
That just happened. What the hell was that?
The crap! I really don't want to try to kill them with this because I know it's going to be awful. I was saying, you almost level. Okay, we got to do this. Ah! Eat the lava!
That actually did better. Until that happened. Okay.
That's actually leveling it up really quick.
And killing rather quickly.
Level 4.
There you go.
I'm actually curious now to see what this thing turns into at level 5. Come on, kids, let's go.
I mean, it's killing pretty fast, too.
Alright, so maybe I need to take back my lava gun sucks thing, but the last game it sucked.
It did suck the last
It was awful and we all know it.
Granted, are we also ignoring the fact that we got the lava gun at the very end of the game and tried to play it at level 1?
No. Yes.
So that doesn't count either.
Ow!
We're trying to his butt. There you go.
Oh crap, I just got the bolt
Oh,
multiplier.
God.
Okay, that's fine, we can just do this.
I don't understand how they hit so hard.
Alright, well, lava gun, you're still my best hope.
Somehow.
Well,
Lava
since
gun.
it's almost level 5, I might as well, like,
Yeah.
get it up there.
Which means somehow it's doing better than the other weapons.
Well, no, I think what it is we kept using it on the little guys, and it has a lower threshold. Because what they did in this game is the guns that they expect you to use, they put a higher threshold on. The guns they didn't expect you to use, they put a lower threshold on. So the guns that require more finesse, like the pulse rifle, the flux rifle, excuse me, those guns require more to do it. So therefore, they gave you less requirements. Whereas like that is super easy. Everybody are gonna use it all the time. So. Okay. I'd really like to kill you with something that'll kill you quickly. Not that I'm down to
Lava
one
gun. Probably
I let that one go. I didn't even. Oops.
Got it?
Yeah, I got my lava gun. Ha! Ha!
The lava gun kills those guys faster than that shotgun did.
Oh, dude, that shotgun is so awful right now.
Yeah, it is.
I feel like I need to go take it to a little area and just like level it up.
What must be kept on a leash?
I don't know what he said.
Huh.
Excuse me, as let's destroy your ships.
Oh, and run into a wall. See, if you wouldn't stand right there,
Really?
it would be fine.
Okay, now I know what's gonna happen here. He's gonna throw that stupid grenade here in a second.
Oh god.
I just gotta make sure the grenade blows up on that side of it. There we go.
Woo!
That took a long time.
Yeah, I did. Oh god.
That's cool. So you'll level up eventually, little guy.
Just right in his face. F you.
Right.
Oh
Can
god.
I... There we go. Another great weapon we could have used here instead of that would have been
Oh, what fun would that be?
leveling up a gun.
Well, you're leveling up your turret.
That's true. Wow, was that really 500 bolts there? No, okay, that makes more sense. I was like, holy crap!
I think it counted the bolts from...
Yeah, from down here.
Yeah. Or like one of the guys from down there.
Oh
Apparently.
god, oh god. Oh, so that's a sniper dude.
I don't like snipers.
I have a weapon for you. It's my sniper rifle. And I'd like to say it's better than yours, but that hasn't really been proven yet. I feel like something's going to happen here.
Yeah, I don't like it. Do not like it. There's a lot of little dudes down there. You can rifle them.
Oh, say, but do you see the magic though? You see those guys, right? But you don't see that guy.
It wasn't that hard to see.
I know.
It was the only thing moving in the upper right corner. And...
Whoosh.
Whee!
That's
That
good.
was... Don't do
Yeah, okay, I did that. Okay.
Okay, that happened.
Ooh! Lava gun!
Watch out. Ah! That lava gun actually does pretty well.
That worked really well.
Yes, it did.
I just got half my health taken away from that.
Yep. But it worked.
But we had a good time. That's all that matters.
They all died.
It's true. Oh, frick!
I don't like those things. Oh god.
That's fine. God, the game didn't want to zoom back out.
Wow,
He
nice.
killed himself.
That was awesome.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and do this so these can level up. It was about to level up, that's why I was
There you
like, Now it shoots bigger beams. She's up.
Ooh. And they're blue. Were they blue before?
No.
I think they
Oh,
were
I should have
red,
plasma
right?
whipped that. Yeah, they were red before. They were smaller and red. Okay, anybody see the 2-time bolt multiplier before I start breaking everything in this room?
See the what?
The 2 times bolt multiplier. Like, do you see all the bolts that are in here?
Yeah, there are a lot.
A lot of stuff in here to break.
Apparently they felt that you did not need one.
Well, yeah. Well, I mean, they put a lot of bolts in there. That's cool, but it'd been nice with a bolt multiplier. The duty free, you know what that means? Do you know what that actually means? It's tax free.
Yeah.
Yeah. I really wish I had something that would kill you guys from a further distance.
You have your rifle.
I know. That's true. Just...
You do not have a rifle.
Horrible time! Horrible timing! Horrible timing! There. You do not have a rifle. That was horrible timing. We all know what's happening here. You guys,
Are they just
you
gonna
serious?
keep flying?
You're gonna fly.
Do the thing.
The what?
The
This thing?
wee. There you go.
What? One of their shots. Apparently, one of them shot before that.
Did they hit
Apparently,
you?
I didn't shoot first. Yeah, one shot
Oh.
at me. Gee, I think that's where I'm going.
No.
Nah.
It's not at all possible.
Oh,
Yikes.
frick!
I
Can
just
I
said yipes.
What?
I said yipes.
I said frick.
No, I said yipes.
What's wrong with frick?
What?
What? I'm scared. I can't pay attention to this. You know what? I'm out of ammo. What do I have that can kill you? Well, I didn't kill you.
2 shots.
It'd be better at this point if they were leveled up.
Stupid box.
What's the plural for box? Boxing! Soft lock boxing!
Well, you missed boxes back there.
I did it?
You did.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I refuse.
I promise.
I am scooted way back. A bolt. You got a bolt grabber. The area in
See?
which I can grab bolt. I did.
Told you.
The crap stuck on. Yeah. Oh yeah. Right. I broke all of that when I did that. By the way, watch.
Oh, okay.
I break crap in like a mile radius of me now.
Holy crap.
Right? Tell me that's not awesome. And they give it to you and they make you walk back, I believe. Are they really going to make me walk back? I guess they are.
Walk back to what?
Oh, and there's a teleporter. I was like, really? I'm probably tempted to walk back anyways.
Just to get all the...
Just to get the bolts.
I'm
Oops.
sure you could, too.
Yeah, did you like that? Like that one hit that worth 1,000 bolts? Every time.
Wow. What were you trying to do when you do that?
Hit something.
Ah, you know, your lava gun works.
I'm trying. Look how close it is to level 4. See that? Does that look like anything like where my lava gun is? No, my lava gun is almost level 5. And besides, this gun needs to get up to level 5.
It is so close.
There. I said that should have done it. Level 4!
Yay!
Now it does more damage.
Thank God.
Whoop. The camera resets every time it does that, and it messes me up every time. Oh, yeah. That was anticlimactic. There.
The amount of bolts you will get now. Just from doing that.
Hey, look!
Hey! Look at that!
What the crap is that? By the way, if you decide to come back through the playable area you just went through, you get a bolt.
Yay!
Alright, let's go over here and do whatever this is. Shotgun. Ah. Wait, who's flying? Clank was, or Ratchet was driving.
Stand down, soldier. This is your captain speaking.
Captain Mine.
That was the thing I liked about this game, is in this game alone, they put in a lot more, like, older humor.
Once again, my brilliant plan has got the enemy completely unaware.
Message received. What's that?
Yeah.
Nothing.
We'll have to split up and search
Nothing.
the ship. Just remember, Nefarious is mine.
Unless we get to him first.
Yeah, unless we want to actually do something about it. No, there's just like a metric crap ton of people down there. Oh, wait!
There you go. Yay.
You ready?
Do it!
Remember that rift thing we were talking about earlier? This would be the time for that right here. In fact,
Yes, it would be awesome.
that's cool.
There you go.
I was like, that's what I was like. Wait a second. In fact, okay, what? Start button. Start. There we go. I was like, start button.
Yes, no, maybe, possibly.
I'm sorry, my good Tesla. We're replacing you with the rift gun, so that we can do this. Yeah. It didn't work nearly as well as I wanted it to just now.
Well, it was a little high.
Yeah, okay, let's fire. We'll fire another one down. Oh, that's not the right gun. There. That one will do it.
That one lone guy. It's like,
Trying to
I'm gonna
figure out
stay
what
back
weapon.
here. I'm not gonna be an idiot.
Said you would die. Ooh, look at all those bolts that I turned around on. Heh!
So many boxes.
I saw a flux of boxing.
Yeah?
No.
Mm.
Oh, there were ammo crates right there. I just totally missed.
So,
Heh! 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 No!
you're getting some.
Alright! Apparently I still have to hit those.
Mm. They were too big.
I'm going to enjoy killing you guys with this gun.
That's what she said.
Hello, Mr. Dude's not affected by okay.
There you
I'm
go.
gonna say, what the what? Where'd the flying guys go? Damn.
Wow. That was fast.
Happens. Yeah, I'm all aware. We good? We good? We good? Did we break everything in the area? Alright. I love when we break things.
That is always fun. Especially when you get things for breaking things.
Lava gun! Lava gun! And then big dude on the top. That'll be
I like how they just go. I don't like that really large thing. Statue-y looking thing.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, I wonder if this will work.
You have more bolts right there. And those lights.
That totally worked.
That did.
I have more what?
Down there, there's bolts in the lights that you didn't. There you go.
Oh, okay.
And apparently a metric ton more.
By the way, I would say
don't know
we've
where they
doubled our
came from.
bolts just in a little bit of time we've been here.
Yeah, because you bought that gun. And it's still.
I would
like-
say I bought the gun and we did not have this many bolts left.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, here we go. Love this gun.
Does it even require ammo?
Yes, it has 8 shots.
Ah.
That's the other side of it, is it doesn't have a lot of ammo to it. So you gotta really think about what you're doing with it when you do it. Oh, God, I forgot how much I love this. Just like collects bolts from everywhere. Alright, now that we've destroyed everything, let's go.
Come in, gentlemen. We've been expecting you. The riffraff have arrived.
The riffraff have arrived, sir.
You put on a bit of weight since last night.
He really actually has.
Well, courtly gears didn't
Seemed to mind.
that's what makes it so. My heart is pounding like an anvil.
Don't let me die.
This is the best part of my day.
That's part of my day.
I lured you here so I could witness your demise.
I bet the ship's about to blow up, yeah.
Hopefully not.
Oh, frick!
Yeah, I might want to be a little careful.
Happens.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna do this. Because I legit don't care about fighting you guys.
Oh my gosh, we have food.
We do.
I just smelled food.
There.
I will wait. Do you want me?
No, no. But don't remember we have ours.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I made it back to the ship.
Yeah, we must leave now.
What'd you say?
Did you grab both halves?
Not without Quark. He would have waited for us.
Did you grab both halves? So you could put the half and half.
I grabbed one thing.
Okay.
Quad?
Mm-hmm.
That is so weird.
Right?
That's the things you were talking about.
That is exactly what I was talking about.
Huh. Cool. I'm amused. Oh, a pickle.
Are you impressed now? No! Tell a joke! Yay! Hi,
Well.
this is awkward.
Did you detect any other craft leaving the sun?
And we're sad now that Quark's not with us.
I know shuttle mate.
Why are we sad?
I don't know.
We don't like him.
Considering that he was the bad guy in the second one.
Mm-hmm.
Mind you, the one that just happened. Funeral service. Until the wee hours of the morning.
Captain Quark had so many wonderful
You good?
qualities, I just don't know where to begin. Such as, okay, he was really
Tall?
and he had a unique fashion sense, and he had a really big chin with kind of a sort of a, well, you know, butt shape. You know, I think I found out long enough.
I just heard what happened. I wanted to offer my condolences to the team. Quark's loss is a true tragedy. The man was a hero. Brave, honest, kind, and calm.
Matthew McConaughey, that's what I was thinking of.
What a
That's who he
load of
sounds like.
bullshit.
What a load of bullshit.
Heroism lives on in each of you. I know that you fours will make our fallen captain proud. Carry on, men.
This came in the mail for Quark.
Really, why was Quark getting the fourth comic?
Or the Quark Bit comic series. He wants you to have it.
Thanks, Al. You know, this could give us a clue about what Nefarious is going to do next.
Fact. Deja Q all over again. I think I'll do that and then we might wrap it.
Yeah?
I think so.
I don't know how long we've been streaming.
I don't either. I quit
Okay.
paying attention. Did I just go the wrong way?
I don't know.
I did. We'll
Apparently
write it
you are.
again.
Already where you had to be.
Look, it's my lava gun. Oh, I was hoping I could go over that. I wonder if they released a new armor. I don't know if they do armor. Yeah, there it is.
Do what?
He just told me there was a new set of armor.
Mm.
Right there. 250,000.
Oh, but it's green. That's so cool.
Yeah, and somewhere it's 66% of all damage. It's double the damage that I take now. Because right now I'm at 33.
Ah.
And is there any new guns? Nope. What are we at? 50? Yeah, we're way off of getting that one.
200,000.
There are 5 parts, so we have one more vid comic after this.
Mm. I will wait to eat. Well,
Episode 4.
No, that's fine. We're almost done.
Q. All over again.
Deja cued all over again.
Quark returned to his
how
comrades.
was my sandwich?
I'm not aware what it was,
You moved it.
but now it's not on the... Shush!
It's time you knew the truth. The baby isn't yours.
Who's the father?
Your evil twin brother, Engelbert.
He's like,
I am Engelbert! Oh, God.
wow.
What are you doing here? Wow. Oh, all right.
On a rooftop high above the bustling streets of
Oh, right. Dr. Nefarious felt Quark threw him off of a ledge into like some lava gear crap, and that's how he became this.
Oh.
Of Captain Quark. Which is why he's taller now, because he was like really short.
Mm.
Alright. Oh, that little just keeps going back.
Oh, God.
Whee! Even to Quark to sound just that stupid.
Yeah.
Oh, God!
Ah!
No!
Okay.
I thought it would go a little quicker than that.
Sorry.
You didn't have to laugh so hard at it, but that's cool.
Yes, I did.
That's fair. I'd have done the same thing. Okay. Whoop!
Why do you do that?
Because I enjoy it. Because I enjoy the that comes right after that.
Like that?
Yeah, like that.
That one was more of a, oh my god, there's no way you're gonna make that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh god. Oh god. This is a
Huh?
fitness course, by the way.
Ah. Okay. Boink, 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 boink.
So you have to do that right on beat, because if you miss it, it'll...
a ladder. How do these things work again? Oh, I remember. Just press up or down.
Oh!
Please, God, let there be a ledge.
I thought I saw a flower, but I couldn't tell.
No.
Oh, I guess I go on top of the bus.
Huh?
Oh.
Hmm?
Oh. Oh.
Yes, no, maybe. I don't think it's... Oh. And dead. Whee!
Yay! I'm pretty sure the bus is exploding from the inside out. If you watch it, just like it all comes out of the butt. Back. Bottom? I don't know.
Bottom. The butt would be where the little things are.
So this is the thruster? Yeah, I said it.
The thruster.
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 Not that you needed to... oh,
I was
God.
actually scooting in my chair. It was horrible timing with what I
I was
said.
like, not that
It
that
was-
was horribly timed.
It did not. No, that's not what.
Ah! I can't dodge all
That
the
was
buttons.
not
Ah!
my intention. I was simply scooting up my chair.
Yeah, sure. Rocket! Frick. There, I gotcha. Oh,
Woohoo!
more rockets.
What the hell? Oh. Okay.
Kill them as a group.
Ah,
they live together and they die together.
that makes sense.
There's actually a way to do this. You go doop 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 doop. Nope. Where is it? I know there's a bounce for it. There it is. I know there's a bounce for it. Yeah! Oh my god.
Not quite. Did it!
Not that it does this different. Oh my god. Get down, get down, get down. You guys just go that way. I'm gonna go this way. Oh, frick.
Nope. Nope. Oh, okay. Screw it.
Just go with it. Wait. Okay. Sorry, I was checking out the video there.
Mm-hmm.
Blah.
Okay. That happened. And that happened.
Get up!
Oh god! Oh. That's literally what he just did. It was like the
Yeah,
longest
he dies
death
very
ever.
dramatic, yeah.
Damn.
I'll accept it as long as they die. Really? You guys are so mean. No. I need 4 more. 3, 2. $100!
Titanium bolt. Don't like you. Don't.
I can't.
Not working.
There.
Got him.
Is that? Ah!
Ooh.
Eh?
Oh.
Ah, frick.
You can just, leave them.
I don't think I
Like
can.
one
I don't
thing
think
of
the game would let me.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Ah! That's fine. I did that on purpose.
Naturally. Get him. Get him. This is really difficult. How on earth are you doing so well?
Oh, they didn't just give me more ammo. Ah!
You're just doing so well. Is he gonna do something else once you get rid of the green? I'll take that as a yes. You just like jumped into it?
Yeah, I didn't really think about what it would do.
Okay.
Really?
Oh
What the
my
crap is this? I don't know how to not.
There you go. Oh,
Oh. Oh, good. That hit him.
nice.
Here you go. I'll wait for him.
Well, he only has one little bar left, so. What was that?
Oh, come on! I was like, I want the ball.
He's so close.
There.
Yay!
Yay! Now
That
the
was
most annoying
fun.
noise in this entire game. Yeah.
There we
I only earned 8,000, but that's sad.
That's
I
okay.
earned like 15,000 the last one.
Really?
Yeah, I think so.
Why are you? You should be scooting this way.
Oh, should I?
There you go.
Ha 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 ha. Fun fact, we haven't seen why he does that short circuit yet, because he didn't do it right there.
Hmm.
Seems the script is missing a few pages. Thanks, Professor.
I'll dig it from here.
And so ends the greatest tale of courage and heroism ever
Fun fact, there's still a 5th one.
Mm-hmm.
But that's the end of the story.
spoken, a nefarious supervillain.
Known as, well, Dr. Nefarious.
Aren't you gonna unlock Quark's secret costumes? Here.
Right.
Let's see. Up, up, down, down, left, right. They're both square, square.
He's in a tutu.
Metropolis.
That's actually a legit thing. That was what one of the guys that were on here were trying to tell me to do the other day.
Nefarious tried to destroy it.
He's in a tutu. They actually tell you that's actually the code for it, by the way. Hence why it's in squares and circles.
Weapon, he's ready to make his move.
Set a course for Metropolis. Let's hope we're not too late.
All right, we're going to Metropolis, but we're not going to Metropolis. At least not this night. We're not. Really?
Yep.
Okay.
I was hoping you do like a mini one.
Oh look, we got more of these.
Oh.
Like blue and orange and purple and another green. Oh,
Is
that's
that
what
the
I have.
same
That's
green
what I
or
have.
is-
That's what I have.
okay.
Yeah, yeah. And there's these wings things. So we have the wings. There's the scoop back. There's that. There's that. There's the front of the ship. We can make it look like that. That's what's. Oh, okay. So that's what's equipped right now is a slash bag. You can have that or that. And that's what's equipped now. We can have 2 noses. Or more of a cut nose.
Or the scoop nose.
That's kind of cool. I didn't realize they gave me more things. Alright guys. Well, that's where we're going to wrap it up tonight. We streamed for quite a good bit of time.
Yeah, I would say so. I don't
So,
know how long, but...
yeah, we'll find out. So guys, want to thank you very much for watching tonight. Anything from you?
Nope.
Alright. I'll be back again on Thursday. Thursday,
Thursday, yeah.
and we will pick it right back up where we left off. I feel like we only have like maybe this week will be the end of this game. I feel like we're coming in.
I mean, if not Thursday, Sunday, I
in
would
fact,
think.
I'm willing to bet you. I'm gonna look it up, but I'm willing to bet you we only like this may be our last thing is to go save Quark or whatever. Yeah. I don't know. We'll see.
Go save a guy
But-
who had a funeral.
Right. All right, guys. Well, thank you very much for watching, and as always, we'll see you guys next time. Nothing?
Bye!